So I think you'll agree that Video Builder will be a game changer for your business. There's simply no other video creation app available that can do all of this, especially at such a low price. Now sure, there's plenty of apps that can try to match what Video Builder can do, but you'll either have to pay big for a license and do a major installation on your computer, or pay a hefty monthly or even annual subscription fee to get access. And even then, rest assured that you still won't get the powerful features and capabilities that you'll get with Video Builder, and for the incredibly low price too, during this introductory offer. Now trust me when I tell you, Paul, our development team, and I have spent several months just checking out what the competition's apps can do before even starting to engineer Video Builder. Now, none of them even come close to what Video Builder does, honestly, especially when you consider the amazing latest generation lip sync text-to-speech technology for the avatars. Now, that technology alone can cost the user several $1,000s to get access to. And with Video Builder, it's standard equipment. And look, I'm just scratching the surface here. Video Builder is 100% compatible on any device with no software to install or update ever. The animation, the customizable canvas, the super easy user interface. How about the multiple language support? And everything else packed under the hood makes Video Builder a serious piece of software, and one that literally anyone can use to get amazing results. And rest assured that our developers will be on the case, constantly updating and improving Video Builder for years to come. Now, we will also be continuously adding new features and capabilities based on our users' feedback, of course. Now, be sure to check out everything you get, including the incredible bonuses that we're offering with your Video Builder Total Access license. Now, those bonuses alone, of course, are worth thousands of dollars. So click on the button to get total access to Video Builder with absolutely no risk. In fact, if you're not convinced that it's the game changer that we say it is, no problem. You could get a full refund within 30 days, no questions asked. Now, we encourage you to check out Video Builder for yourself, because once you see just how easy it is to use, and that's really important, and the awesome videos that you can create with it, trust me, you'll never go back to outsourcing or spending countless hours or countless dollars trying to make a video ever again. Thanks for checking out Video Builder, and I will see you on the other side.
Video Builder gives you the power to create awesome real-time animation videos that tap into the latest and greatest 3D and animation technology, plus a whole lot more. No special skills or knowledge required. Just use our easy interface, follow a few easy steps, and you'll find yourself creating eye-popping, real-time 3D animation videos that will captivate your visitors within minutes. With Video Builder, you can add dazzling text effects, animations, intros, outros, and even lower thirds to any existing videos with just a few clicks.
You also get a great media library of graphics, stock video, images, enhancements, and much more, all ready to use with click, drag, and drop. Video Builder is literally all you need to create super professional, eye-catching HD animation videos.
You can set your avatar to speak with any of 47 voices in any of 24 languages. We even include American, British, and Australian accents, among others. All powered by the world's best text-to-speech technology. And with our latest generation lip-sync text-to-speech technology, your avatars will be more lifelike and attention-grabbing than ever before. See, before avatars' lips just moved randomly, with no pacing, pauses, or rhythm to whatever was being spoken. But now your avatar's lip movements will always be completely in sync with what's being spoken, like real humans do, which makes them even more realistic and lifelike than ever before. Pretty cool, huh?
With the breakthrough multi-track video editor included in the app, you can add your own video footage, soundtracks, images, text effects, animations, voiceovers, and other graphical or audio elements all into one captivating video presentation. This gives you full flexibility to create high-end video productions comparable to videos produced with big-budget video editing and animation software with just a couple of clicks.